Don't judge me. Here is one box which I prepared with some primer. This box is for spices and I'm using this for a very long time. But before I prime this, I have this glue and I want to show you how I will, with this brush, make something else from this box. It will still be for spices, but it will look much better. And first I will put this glue. This is some kind of glue for decoupage. And then I have this napkin, and this napkin really reminds me on spices, and I want to use this. First I will try to be even like this, and now we will take one layer of the napkin with and put it on some box or something, I don't know what, and then you doing like this with this glue, like that, I think. So much glue, and I did this before, long time ago, I think 10 years, when decoupage was something very modern. I do this very often with my things. And here actually I make one snail trinket with this decoupage. I hope this will be beautiful when I finished. And now we can a little bit even fast this video. I will gently remove this part and seal it down. Now we need to wait this to dry. So now when this glue is dry, we have these little pieces around and we need to remove this, but not by pulling. We just take one sandpaper and we gently move this like that, and it's fall off. And now we are clean container. And we have this. Since I already varnished this from the inside and out, we don't need any varnish. So it is finished. And now we can put, only thing I don't like is this, because this is blue and this one is like creamy colors with these flowers, and but it is blue here also, down. So now I will clean this from inside and I can put my spices for cooking. And that is that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.